We are at King Donut. You can see it behind me. We're actually parked in a church parking lot because there doesn't seem to be any parking for King Donut. It's on the main drag of the 431 in Eufaula, and it is very famous. If you go to TripAdvisor for Eufaula at the Donut King, you'll see a lot of really good reviews, and a lot of people from all over the South drive through Eufaula to go to the beaches, like in Panama City, Destin, Seaside, and they will stop at this donut shop and write amazing reviews about how good it is.
There are people getting their donuts.
Those are the folks that had a Florida license plate.
This should be interesting.
So they might be returning home and say, hey, we want donuts in the car. I got 2 boxes.
And it is on the main drag. Oops. I thought that other place was King. Crisp or whatever.
Okay, so this is the door.
I guess so.
1 minute. Okay.
Standing room only.
Yeah, good day. Thank you, y'all. Good. Thank you. Just for you, Nancy. Okay.
It's got the appropriate local ads on the wall.
What's going on?
Out the window, the parking. All of it.
What?
But under the glass is where the treasure lies. Nice, simple menu.
Strawberry. That. Okay, hey,
Nothing fancy, just a cozy old small business. Selling what we've heard is amazing.
Can you do the white ones?
all 3 white.
Yes, please.
No problem. Oh, I didn't use it.
We were behind what I gather are regulars.
Y'all ready, ma'am?
Yes, can we please get the special mix box?
You need a mix box?
Yeah.
Tight squeeze.
Can I?
Tight squeeze.
Can I get?
There's no place to sit. It's just like a takeout.
There you go. Did y'all have a good trip?
The big one's ours.
Totally right. Don't sit
Yeah. All on the same.
I'm getting the 2.
Okay, I want.
Out the old style heavy wooden door. Pardon me. Okay, so this place is like, woo, walking down the middle of the road. This place is clearly a grab and go place.
I just spent $10 on donuts.
So there's not a place to sit inside, so we're just gonna have to sit in the car and try these, so we'll see.
We have leftovers.
Taped up really good. Behold.
So this mix box includes glazed, chocolate filled, and some of their amazingly famous donut holes. I don't know if you can see the size of the donut holes, but they're famous because
Wow.
they're bigger than normal.
Wow.
And it smells like heaven in a box.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, and that chocolate on top, Brian loves that kind of chocolate.
Oh, he does.
So
he does
I know
indeed.
he will like those.
Look at that mountain of donuts.
So yeah, it was a very fun experience, and I know we're gonna like these. And so if you're ever driving through Eufaula and you see the Donut King, you might think, oh, donuts. No. You might think it's a hole in the wall. Yes. You might think there's nowhere to park. Yes. But it is like, just based on, we haven't even tasted these yet. We're already recommending it. We should probably taste it.
Probably should taste it.
You want the chocolate, or you want?
I want to try one of those donut holes first. All right. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. Oh yeah.
These are amazing. I had a bite of the filled, and I got the white filled. It's like a Bavarian cream.
Season 2. Fat Brian's down the road. Yeah, these are really good. They're really good.
But now you've watched our video, you know you can either park on the side of the road or in the church parking lot.
And if you missed the turn, just circle around the block and come back. You get to see some cool old mill houses back there too. I have no idea what kind of picture I'm getting on this because I can't see the viewfinder, but just bear with us. Look at this. No acting here. They really are delicious.
So this was a sample box. It was $10. It was called the special mixed box, if you want to get what we got.
Like so many holes in the wall businesses, it is fantastic. And let's give a shout out to all of our delicious hole in the wall businesses out there that are serving fantastic food all across America. Where would we be without them?
Thanks for watching.